Good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create recipe ebook in Canva. For example, here's an ebook that I created using Canva. As you can see right there, it looks professional. And even if you were to go onto the table of content and for example select a page, you can see that it redirects you to that page. I will be showing you how to do this quickly and step by step, even as a complete beginner. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com. Once you have created your account, which you can do for completely free using your email address, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in recipe ebook. You can select recipe ebook template. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with the crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free, as you can see right there. All you'll need to do is scroll down until you have found one of your liking, and then you're going to select that particular template. Let's say for this example, I were to select this one. After you have selected the template, you're going to tap on customize this template. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you'll be able to add your own personal touches. So for example, in the top left hand corner, you could add in your website link right there, or you can simply tap on the trash can to delete it. Also, if you would like to zoom in on the page, right where you see the 65% in the bottom right hand corner of my screen, you can simply pull along the slider to the right and you'll be able to get a better view of your template. Now, if you would like to change anything, for example the text, so we can change this right here. Let's say for example I'm going to change it to Yardman recipes. So let me do that real quick. You can see it right there. And if you'd like to change the text color, you can simply select the text, then tap on the capital A from the top navigation bar, and then you can select the color that you would like to change it to. So I'm going to be changing it to yellow and green. After you have changed the color, you can continue editing the pictures and so on. So if I wanted to change this pic, all I would need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads. Then from here, I could select upload files and upload an image from my device, or I can tap on elements. After selecting elements, from here, I could tap on the search bar and I could type in an element that I would like to add. So let's say, for example, I would like to add chicken. So let's say fried chicken. After I've done that, I could select either photos and I could drag and place a photo. So let's say, for example, the photo that I would like to use is this one. I can drag and place the photo right here. And at the moment, you can see that it does not look neat. So what I would recommend you do is tap on elements once more and you're going to type in circle frame. So we'll select circle frame right there. Then right where you see frames, you're going to tap on see all. Then we'll select this circle frame. Then you can simply pull along to extend the size. You can see it right there. After you have extended the size of the circle frame, you're going to remove circle frame from the search bar and you're going to select the same image. So let's do that. And you're going to drag and place it in the circle. So you can see how it looks right there. And if you like to change the background color of the cover page, you can do that by selecting the entire page. Then tapping on the color scheme right here. Then from here, you can select a color. So for example, I can see how the different colors look. So you can see it right there. You can test out the different colors till you have found one to your liking. Let's say for example, I'm going to be using, let's say this color. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can drag and place different images right here. So I could tap on elements and I'm going to type in fried chicken once more. And I'm going to select different photos that I can quickly place right there. So all you'll need to do is drag and place the photo and you can quickly replace the custom photos that were there. After doing that, if you would like to change the social media links right here, you can do that. You can quickly edit each page. Now, to make your table of content clickable, all you'll need to do is label each page. So for example, page 2, you can see it is showing a quick layout. So we can tap right where you see add page title, and I'm just going to be calling this table of content. Then we'll scroll down and you can see page 3. We're going to be calling this intro. And you can scroll down and continue labeling each page. So we could call this the organic page. So I'll type in organic right there. After you have labeled each page, all you'll need to do now to make it clickable or to create a table of content, as you can see right here, this table of content is basically with images. So for example, we can select page 3 right here. So we'd select this image, or you can select the text, whichever one you want. Then you'll tap on the 3 dots. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on link, and we're going to simply scroll down and we'll select page 3 right here. Then you'll tap on done. And to make the image clickable, you'll select the image. After you have selected the image, you're going to simply right click. Then you're going to tap on link. Then you'll scroll down and you can select the same page right there. Then tap on done. And you can do this with each image and also each text. After you have done that and everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Now that you have tapped on share, you can tap on download. And from here, you're going to select PNG. Then you're going to select either PDF standard or PDF print. If it is a case that you're going to send it via email, PDF standard would be the best option. If you're going to print it, I would recommend that you go with PDF print. So we're going to be selecting PDF print for this example. Then after selecting PDF print, you're going to tap on download. After you have selected download, you can see right there, it has been downloaded. So if I were to go to the top right hand corner and simply select it, you can see how it looks right there. Now, when we are on the table of content, let's say for example, I wanted to go to page 3. All I would need to do is either tap on the image, you can see it carries me right there, or we could simply tap on the text right there. So that is the reason why you need to name each page, and then you can add the link for it in the table of content. And that's it. That's how to create a recipe book using Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.